So there's my peanut. We're gonna use a lot of peanut. Nut is what makes baklava for what it is. Alright, that should be good enough. I can put it in here, no worries. Okay, now we still got a lot of work to do. Remember, we have another batch to complete. Let's work with 4 at a time. Pile them up 4 at a time, press them down just like that, and then use a lot of cornstarch, dip it in. We need a lot of cornstarch because we don't want our dough to stick with one another, right? That's the reason why we need a lot of cornstarch, whatever you call it. Alright, now we're gonna gradually roll it. Double check, make sure they don't stick to each other, and if they do, then we have to remember add in the cornstarch. We have to add cornstarch every once in a while, or else we are in trouble. We'll be in trouble. Okay. We got 4 here, 4 down here. Stack them up. 4 or 5, I guess. Just like that. Roll it. Okay, now I know for sure that we need to have cornstarch. See, I thought we had enough. But I guess not. We can't use this one. That's got pretty bad. We'll use it later on. Okay.